In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a glow effect to your buttons. As you can see in this example, the button is glowing, so it creates an attraction and it catches attention of the user towards the CTA button. So let's see how to do this in System A. Open your editor and select the button you want to apply this effect to. So here is the button, and first of all, open the button settings by clicking on the setting icon and scroll down, and you will see an ID attribute section over here. And then you have to click on this copy button icon, and this will copy the button ID. Using this button ID, we can apply various CSS styles, custom CSS to that button. So open the page settings now by clicking on this setting icon, setting button. Scroll down and you will see an edit footer code button over here. Click on that and you will see this model. Here we can write custom CSS code for various elements in our website. Inside the style tag, first of all, you have to write a style tag because this is a mandatory step. And if you miss this, your styles won't apply to your element. So you have to first of all copy the button ID, and then you have to set a background to your button, your custom background. And the background will be you can choose whichever color you like. I'm going with hashtag 528619 and mark that important. Using that important, the systemic code will not able to override this, and this will apply. So we have to also write another property to apply a box shadow to our element. For we will write a simple shadow over here using we'll write the same color. Using this box shadow, we can animate and create a glow effect. Then we have to write a simple animation. So in CSS, we can write it using keyframes. Name it whatever you like, but I'm naming it glow. So using keyframes, we can define our animation at different stops, like at 0%, what are the properties we want to change. So at 0%, copy this box shadow as it is. So, and then you have to define another stop at 50%. So till 0 to 50%, it will animate this box shadow property, and then till 50 to 0 again, it will animate this another box shadow property that we have applied. So here we have defined our animation. How does it will behave? Now we have to apply this to our button. So using an animation property in CSS, we can do this. So first of all, we have to define the name of the animation which we have created over here. This should match glow. Then we have to define a timing, which is for how many for how much time this our animation should take place. Then we define a couple of more property, linear and infinite. So infinite make the animation to go infinitely, so that it creates that glow effect. Now save the changes. Again, save changes by clicking on the save changes button and preview your changes. And you will see that the glow effect has applied. You can change different colors, and that is about the glow effect.